So I'm gonna actually started to make it before I started with the video. I have these chicks and I'm gonna make a little feeder for them. I don't have the stuff, I got rid of it all because, you know, whatever, plans. And so we're gonna make a feeder out of a couple of old throwaway food grade plastic containers. Now I started this already, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pick up where I started off. I took a coffee can, one of these plastic coffee cans, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down to about a little over an inch, plus or minus, as like a tray. These aren't the greatest shears, so, and this plastic is sort of off. Okay, so we're gonna get to where we have something like this. Now we're gonna take another one of these and we're gonna cut off out little areas for the feed to come out. Now I only really want it to happen on one part, like, so 3 sides. It's gonna work its way around, but that's fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut, oops, I'm just gonna cut. I don't want it to go up too high because I don't want the food to come out higher than the, let's see, I want it there, right, and then we're gonna just come here. This is about what I wanted right here. And then same thing over here, just little slots. See, this one's actually too big, but it'll be fine. And these little slots, and then this is just gonna fit sort of right on here like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the top of this off. See if this knife will go through it. So now that you have your pieces cut, you know, you're gonna fit them together. You can do this any number of ways. You can probably hot glue it, even though I don't know how hot glue works for chicks or whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna duct tape it because it only needs to stay in place for a little while, and I think that will be fine. And duct tape this duct tape anyway is really sticky. It's stuck all over my truck when I was using it for something, so I don't think that we're gonna have an issue. Chickens are pretty hardy, so I don't think there's gonna be an issue with the using of duct tape. And we're gonna just make sure it's down like that, and then get it in there and attach it, and hopefully it all stays in place. Just need one more small piece here. Okay, and there's your feeder. Now I'm gonna go get food and we're gonna see how well. So let's dump some of this in there. Yeah, and it seems to work its way out just fine, one side or the other. And there you go. I could have cut another hole out here, but I think we're gonna be good just like that. And there you go. There's a quick and easy chick feeder, and didn't take but a couple seconds to make with stuff that you have laying around. And there you go. You don't have to spend money buying whatever they are, 20, 25 bucks for a feeder.